Kate Wood of thewoodenspoon.com. Today we're going to be making a hazelnut mocha cream pie. It's pretty simple and really delicious, and we're going to get started with the crust by crushing up 1½ sleeves of chocolate graham crackers. I've gone ahead and ground up the graham crackers until they were pretty fine. Into this bowl we're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, just a little pinch of salt, and 5 tablespoons of butter that I've melted on the stove. Once the pie ingredients are all mixed together and kind of like a wet sand consistency, go ahead and just dump it all into a 9-inch pie pan and start to press all of the crumbs up the sides of the pan, all the way up, and then into the bottom of it. First, we have some heavy whipping cream that I'm dissolving some instant coffee granules in. Espresso powder would also work really well here. And then in this bowl, I've got some chocolate hazelnut spread and cream cheese that I'm going to beat together with some sugar. I've got the hazelnut spread and cream cheese mixture in here. It's nice and creamy. And I'm going to start adding to it a little bit of the espresso whipped cream that I went ahead and beat to stiff peaks. We're going to add about half of it and then fold it all together. In less than 20 minutes, we have this pie that is just ultra decadent and really, really delicious. We're gonna finish it though by topping it with a few more things. We've got more espresso whipped cream, some toasted hazelnuts, and a little bit more of that chocolate hazelnut spread. And there you have it. Less than 30 minutes and 10 ingredients. This hazelnut mocha cream pie is so easy and equally delicious. I hope that you'll check out the recipe on thewoodenspoon.com.